Hi everyone, welcome back to another one of my cryptocurrency update videos, and we're covering Vechain today, of course. And we're just going to do the daily time frame and the 4 hour. I didn't post videos for the last couple of days, just been enjoying the weekend and stuff, but back at it today. And yeah, so last video we were down here at about 3.8 cent down here. I think it was on Thursday or Friday, and it wasn't looking promising because we hit that 1618 mark. So if I add the fibs on, swing low to swing high, include yeah, we were down here at the 1618, and I said, you know, if we don't get above the 1618, we are going to fall to the 2272 2414. But thankfully we have held that, and we had a huge rejection there on the daily from the 1618, a huge spinning top candle, and we've managed to come up and find a resistance area at the 1. So today, so far, we are printing a spinning top, so that is a good sign. Obviously, we still need to find a way we can push through and hold the 1 fib level to try and get us back up to the 0618 mark here. That's when I'll be really confident that we could end up going back up and reaching these highs up here, but until then, we must be getting above the 1 fib level at about 0.049 cent for Vechain there. So hopefully just keep an eye on this daily candle. If it closes like this, it will still be a good sign, and tomorrow we might come down back to the 1.272 before eventually finding a way to break above that one, hitting the 20 moving average as well, and breaking out of our falling wedge bullish pattern, which would be the best possible scenario. Obviously, there is a chance we can just find resistance at the 1 and then come back down to the 1618. It's always a possibility, but it looks like here we have more area of support at the 1.272, so I wouldn't be surprised if we fell here tomorrow before continuing up. But we have to obviously see how that plays out and how Bitcoin plays out. So if we called this a bottom here, I can do a fib from swing high to swing low now as well. And our main point for this is to get above the 5 fib level and the 0618 in this golden pocket area, which I've drawn this box in as well, because you can see here when we came into this area before, we had a lot of consolidation, a lot of indecision. So I'm hoping that once we get into this box, we'll have that consolidation period again and hopefully find our support, so then we can break that 0618 and bring us back to the 1, back up to these previous highs here. That will take us back to 0.068 cent, which would be a nice price to see, taking us above both our moving averages and eventually getting us back to the 1618 up here at 0.098 cent. But that's more of a longer term target. If this was our bottom, obviously we still need confirmation that it is, and that we aren't going to go lower than this level again as well. So let's have a look on the 4 hour time frame. There was something. My 4G is so bad. We're getting our Wi-Fi on Friday, so I've still got a whole week of this. So I'm hoping it loads soon. Come on. There we go. Not too bad. So we've kind of got this double bottom pattern here on the 4 hour. We've got one bottom here and one bottom here. And if I drew this out to be a bit clearer, so we've got our neckline here. So I'm going to draw a straight line across there. And I'm going to draw like an ascending triangle pattern to meet that there as well. And you can see here it's respecting it very well. It looks like it's a clear ascending triangle, and obviously just to validate it and validate the double bottom, we must break this neckline here at 0.049 cent, and we can get a target for that. Once we do, just go from the neckline to the bottom, drag that over onto the breakout point. That will take us to 0.062 cent there. And what that would do right now, we can see that we're finding resistance, support on the 20 moving average, resistance on the 55, and that is normal. Once you break the 20, you will find a bit of resistance at the 55. So we may come back down to test this one last time, forcing a move at the apex, and then bringing us above this neckline here to then validate our target, which would bring us up to this previous resistance point here. So we may find some resistance here, come back down to this weekly support here on this yellow line, which we know about. We've had it there for so many weeks. Could consolidate between there for a while before then finding support and breaking up, working our way back up the stairs there. Excuse me. Okay, so I'm just going to do a fib from up here to down here. It's a bit of a smaller fib, but I just want to see some targets and some levels we need to be getting above. So our 1 fib actually lines up perfectly with our neckline here, so that's 2 confirmations there that we have to break. This is a key area to break before we can continue up. So we're looking at about 0.048 and 0.049 cent basically are the areas that we need to be getting above, and the prices you need to be looking out for to see if we can get above those. And once we have got above the 1, we go to the 1618. Again, confirmation that we are going to be heading into this area here between this resistance and this support area here. I will draw a box when we get closer to it, but that also would bring us up to our technical target here. So then we may come back to find support on the 1618. Obviously, there's always a chance that we can lose. If we do come back down, we could lose this here. And if we did lose this support, I think the worst case, we could come back down to this line here at 0.043 cent. But that's it for today, guys. So subscribe to my channel, like and comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.